Hello, Kelsey here, doing an interactive advanced concept for General Chemistry 101. And today I'll be making a lava lamp. So the only materials you really need is a jar. I got this jar from the Dollar Tree, some vegetable oil, canola oil, some water. I just use tap water, Alka-Seltzer tablets, and food coloring so you can see the reaction. I also got these from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so as you can see here, I added mostly oil and a little water at the bottom here. And you see that the oil and the water, they don't mix. And that's just because oil is non-polar and water is very polar, causing them not to attract each other. Kind of like when you try to put two magnets together and they kind of are like pushing each other apart. That's what's going on in here. Also, water is at the bottom because it's a lot more dense than the oil is. The reason it's more dense is because the molecules of the water are packed closer together. So now I'm going to add a few drops of food coloring. I want to go with a pink, so I'm going to do 6 drops of red. Notice that when the food color goes down, it's in these droplets and it sits there on the oil because it is water-based. Add my 2 drops of blue. So with this lava lamp, you'll notice that when you add the Alka-Seltzer tablets that it'll start to create a reaction. Alka-Seltzer tablets create carbon dioxide gas bubbles within your jar, then sticking to the water molecules, causing it to be less dense to the oil, bringing it to the top and creating that lava lamp effect, which I'll show right now. Okay, Alka-Seltzer, I'm going to break them in half here. Get a closer look. Then you just drop a couple in. And as you can see, the lava lamp effect happening. I'm going to add some more Alka-Seltzer tabs so you can see it again. And now you can see when I add more Alka-Seltzer, you get more of a reaction here. This is a carbon dioxide gas attaching itself to water molecules and then making the water molecules less dense to the oil and coming back up and down, creating our lava lamp effect here. Now you'll notice that after a while, it'll start to settle down as you observe. It's pretty cool. But after a while, the reaction will stop without me adding more Alka-Seltzer tablets. And that's called limiting reactant. In this case, our Alka-Seltzer is our limiting reactant. So without adding this Alka-Seltzer tablet, you get no reaction. reaction like our lava lamp, our limited reactant, our Alka-Seltzer tablet, once that substance is absorbed, it completely is consumed. And that's why the Alka-Seltzer tablet is our limited reactant. Thank you for watching, and tune in next time for Module 3.